We also have customer retention strategies. So customer retention strategies involve techniques designed to keep existing customers engaged and loyal to a brand. So these strategies can include loyalty programs, personalized marketing, excellent customer service, regular communication. So the goal is to increase customer lifetime value by fostering long-term relationships and minimizing churn. So effective retention strategies often rely on understanding customer needs and preferences and continuously providing value through products, services, and experiences. Then we have customer satisfaction measurement. So customer satisfaction measurement involves assessing how well a company's products or services meet or exceed customers' expectations. This can be done through surveys, feedback, forms, metrics like Net Promoter Score (NPS), which gauges the likelihood of customers recommending the brand to others. Regularly measuring satisfaction helps businesses identify areas for improvement, enhance customer experience, and build stronger relationships. Voice of the customer, VOC. So it refers to capturing and analyzing customers' feedback, expectations, and preferences. This can be gathered through surveys, interviews, social media, and reviews. So VOC helps help businesses understand customer needs, identify pain points, and make informed decisions to improve products, services, and overall customer experience. Customer advocacy programs. So customer advocacy programs encourage satisfied customers to become promoters of the brand. So these programs often include referral incentives, testimonial requests, and also ambassador programs. So by leveraging happy customers to spread positive word of mouth, businesses can build trust and credibility, attract new customers, and enhance brand reputation. Then we have customer loyalty programs. So customer loyalty programs are reward systems designed to incentivize repeat business. So these programs can include point-based systems, discounts, exclusive offers, and rewards for frequent purchases. Loyalty programs aim to enhance customer satisfaction and retention by buying added value and encouraging ongoing engagement with the brand.